10 solid crochet stitches to learn for absolute beginners. It's a simple variation of the bobble stitch, making it easier for beginners to practice texture without too much bulk. A light and airy stitch that forms a feather-like texture. A combination stitch that blends the herringbone technique with puff stitches. A simple and beginner-friendly stitch made by alternating single crochet and chain stitches. A thick and warm stitch that creates a double-layered fabric. A decorative stitch that adds vertical detail by working into lower rows. A tight and textured stitch made by alternating slip stitches and half double crochet. A repeating stitch pattern that creates a neat, structured texture. A textured stitch that combines single crochet, chain, and double crochet in one space to form a soft, woven look. A colorwork pattern that mimics the classic gingham check design using double crochet stitches and color changes. Find all these patterns and more on craftinghappiness.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.